In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Honda Civic. If you need any parts for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. On the top front of your engine, you'll see the 4 ignition coils in a row right here. I'm only going to show you how to do one because the process is identical for all the other ones. Grab on the connector and unplug it by pressing on this tab and pulling it backwards. And with a 10mm socket, remove the mounting nut that holds the ignition coil on. With this off, you should be able to wiggle, pull, and remove the ignition coil. There it is. If you had a new ignition coil, you take it and slide it down all the way in until it's bottomed out. Might as well plug it in. Then take the mounting nut, put it over the stud, snug it up. The torque for this mounting nut is 8.7 foot-pounds or 104 inch-pounds. If you can't torque it, do your best to do this by hand, just about 1/8 of a turn at most after it bottoms out. Perfect. Now you'd repeat the procedure to the other ignition coils and job is done. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.